This is Don Hurst right here. He's a ex-mechanic for the U.S. Air Force, and he worked on these engines. He's going to tell you a little about them.
It's just that this is a B17 radial engine, and then it jumps on over to this one over here. This is a radial that was on a B29. There was two of those put together, and the right cyclone was on the 17 was an 1820-97, and the one on the B29 was a 3350 type. I think that, yeah, 3350, yes. Yeah.
And how many of these do you think you worked on?
Oh, God. Well, in Mitchell Field and the like, and various other airports, I worked on maybe one a day for maybe 2 years that was shipped over to overseas.
Okay.
We were on a staging unit where we processed them before they went overseas.
Okay, well, thank you very much. At Highland Hill Farm, we have a lot of different kinds of trees for you. We have both deciduous and evergreen. Some of the spruces that we have are like Colorado blue spruce, Norway spruce, white spruce, Serbian, Black Hill spruce, black spruce. We also have some firs, such as Fraser, balsam, Douglas, and concolor. Most of these are in seedling or transplants. We do have larger trees such as white pine, Norway spruce. We also sell a whole range of arborvitaes in many different sizes, from transplants up to large trees. The trees that we sell are both bare root and balled and burlapped and potted. We have thousands of them that we grow. We also have southwestern white pine, and we are noted for our green giant arborvitaes and Leland cypresses. We also have hemlocks up to 10 to 12 foot high, along with redwoods. We can also supply you with some bald cypress, larch, eastern red cedar. In the way of shrubs, we have arrowwood viburnums, bayberry, blackhall viburnums, a whole range of viburnums, dogwoods, red, twig, silky dogwoods, elderberries. We also have forsythia, common lilacs, Japanese lilacs, Peking lilacs. We also have nannyberry, ninebark, and things such as Russian olive, which some people think are spruce. Is invasive. But we do sell a wide range of trees and shrubs, including winterberry holly. So give us a call at 215-651-8329 as we do deliver and plant.